how to experience the real presence of God in your life as a Christian. You can see God. Two things that are keeping Christians from experiencing the real power of God in their lives: sin and unbelief. Sin, failure to live according to the will of God, failing to live right, living in rebellion. In any circumstance where we live in sin, God's presence is not there. God is driven away from us. God does not abide where there is sin. We must live holy lives. We must live in a way that pleases God. We must be holy because God is holy. When we sin, we cannot experience Him. We cannot feel His presence. We cannot see His hand. Only by living right shall we experience the presence of God in our daily life. If we live repentant lives, if we live according to His will, then we shall see God in this life. We shall see God here on earth. Not when we die and go to heaven. Here on earth we shall see God. Unbelief, this is lack of faith. You don't believe that God is there. You don't believe that God has the power to save you. You don't believe that God has the power to present Himself in a manner that He is so powerful in your life. You don't believe that God can change your life. You don't really believe that He can give a solution to your problems. And that is why you look for better options and not to God. Remember, He is the same yesterday, today, and forever. He shall remain God, all-powerful, all-knowing, all-present. He has not changed. He will not change. God remains powerful. Get rid of sin. Get rid of unbelief. And you shall experience the real presence of God in your life as a Christian.